If you love cooking hearty meals, baking fresh bread, or hosting family dinners, then today's product might become your new favorite kitchen essential. I'm talking about the Best Choice Products Oval 7.5 Quart Enamel Cast Iron Dutch Oven in Vanilla Buttercream. A beautiful, heavy-duty piece of cookware that promises serious performance and eye-catching style. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's talk about a problem many home cooks face. You start cooking a stew, roast, or loaf of bread, but your pot either doesn't distribute heat evenly, doesn't retain heat well, or simply isn't large enough for big meals. That's where a quality Dutch oven makes all the difference. And this one is designed to solve those exact problems. The Best Choice Products Oval 7.5 Quart Dutch Oven is built with thick cast iron and a durable enamel coating, meaning it holds heat incredibly well and cooks food evenly from every angle. Whether you're slow cooking a tender roast, baking rustic sourdough bread, simmering soup, or preparing a large family meal, this pot handles it with ease. And what really makes this Dutch oven stand out is the oval 7.5 quart capacity. Most round pots limit what you can cook, especially when it comes to larger cuts of meat or specialty bread loaves. But the oval shape gives you more flexibility. So roasting a whole chicken, baking artisan bread, or preparing a big batch of chili suddenly becomes much easier. Another huge advantage is versatility. This Dutch oven works on gas, electric, stovetop, oven, and even grills, so you're not limited to one cooking method. Start your dish on the stovetop to build flavor. Then move it straight into the oven to finish cooking without switching cookware. That means fewer dishes and better results. And let's talk about heat retention, because that's where cast iron truly shines. This pot is designed to reach and maintain temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The heavy lid includes smart condensation bumps that trap steam inside, keeping moisture locked into your food. The result? Juicier roasts, richer stews, and bread with that perfect crust and fluffy interior. But performance isn't the only reason people love this Dutch oven. The Vanilla Buttercream enamel finish gives it a clean, glossy look that instantly upgrades your kitchen. Instead of hiding it in a cabinet, you'll actually want to display on your stovetop or bring it straight to the table when serving guests. Plus, the brushed gold metal handle adds a touch of elegance that makes this pot feel premium and modern while still keeping that classic Dutch oven charm. So if you're looking for cookware that performs like a professional kitchen tool, but also looks beautiful enough for serving, this Dutch oven checks a lot of boxes. What I really like about this Dutch oven is that it simplifies cooking while improving results. Instead of juggling multiple pots and pans, you can handle everything in one reliable piece of cookware. That means better flavor, easier cleanup, and a smoother cooking experience overall. Whether you're an experienced home chef or someone who just wants dependable cookware for everyday meals, the Best Choice Products Oval Dutch Oven is designed to make cooking easier, more enjoyable, and honestly a little more beautiful. If you enjoy slow-cooked comfort food, homemade bread, or big family dinners, this is exactly the kind of pot that can transform the way you cook. And if you're thinking about upgrading your cookware, this might be the one piece that delivers the biggest impact in your kitchen. So if you want to check it out for yourself, remember the purchase link is waiting for you below. And if you enjoy discovering useful kitchen tools like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and cooking gear recommendations. Don't miss out, grab yours today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.